Hey guys, it's Sean Productions 123 here to show you how to get Ots Turntables free on a website. So first you're going to want to open your internet browser, which I'm using Windows Internet Explorer. You can use Firefox, Opera, SeaMonkey, Thunderbird, anything. Okay, so click on your thingy here that says Google, www.download.com. Okay, so when it does that, search. My computer is just really slow because I'm running this thing. It's called Camtasia. Okay, so if this doesn't work, you're going to want to go to download.com, search for Ots Turntables, OTS space turntables, or you could just search it on Google, Ots Turntables. Then you're going to want to search it on the download.com. Download, or the one that says Ots CD Scratch, it's not that one. One's going to say Ots Turntable. Okay, so it's working. Okay, good. Okay, so it's loading, 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 loading. I'll also give you a link in the description, so watch in HD. It's better. Way better. Okay, so download now. It's gonna say Ots Turntables free. So download now. You can run, save, or cancel it. So if you want to run it directly to install it, you click on that, save it, or if you want to save it and then run it, you save it to your desktop or anywhere you want. Go to that, double click it, run or don't run. I don't know why you wouldn't want to run it if you downloaded it. So run it. After you install it, it'll automatically come up, or if you don't want it to come up, that's fine. Okay, so then after it's installed, you're done. So sorry I couldn't show you the actual video about going there and crap. So see ya, bye.